For this installation, you will need a trim tool. Open the hood and locate the high beam bulb. Twist the headlight halogen bulb counterclockwise and pull out to remove. And now connect the new ALA lighting LED bulb. Don't forget to test the bulb. Some models are polarity sensitive, and if does not turn on, simply flip connector 180 degrees. Next, align the housing opening with the bulb tabs. Insert LED bulb into housing opening and twist clockwise to lock. The LED chips should be facing left to right with pigtail connection at 12 o'clock or 6 o'clock after locked. Follow the same steps for the passenger side. When we measures by the light meter, the new LED bulb is 3 times brighter than the halogen light. ALA Lighting Advanced LED Lights for Automotive.